Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today we will learn how Shaytan slowly traps people into haram relationships. A short story that teaches us how to protect our hearts. Ahmed was a good Muslim, but one day Shaytan whispered, "It's just a smile, nothing wrong." Soon Ahmed started chatting with Fatima. Shaytan made it seem harmless, it's only friendship. Step by step, the chats turned into meetings. Shaytan whispered again, "You are not doing anything bad, just talking." But slowly their hearts were attached. The same Shaytan who said, "It's only friendship," now pushed them toward haram. One day Ahmed skipped Salah just to meet Fatima. Shaytan laughed. The more they continued, the harder it became to escape. That is how Shaytan works. He never tells you to commit a sin directly, he takes you step by step. But alhamdulillah, Ahmed remembered the hadith. Shaytan flows in the blood of the son of Adam. He made sincere taubah, cut off the haram friendship, and returned to Allah. Fatima also repented, realizing true peace only comes from obeying Allah. My dear brothers and sisters, Shaytan starts small, just a glance, just a chat, until it becomes a trap. Protect your heart, lower your gaze, and seek halal paths. May Allah protect us all. Asterisk. Alhamdulillah, dear brothers and sisters, I hope you benefited from this reminder. Remember, Shaytan starts with small whispers, but Allah is always ready to forgive when we return to Him. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Islamic stories and reminders. May Allah guide us, protect us from Shaytan, and grant us Jannah.